To create videos like this one using AI, use the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So head over to hedra.com. And when you come into Hedra, we are going to paste what we want to create. For me, I'm going to say a gorgeous lady dressed in African prints skating through a busy Lagos market at sunrise. And I'm going to enter this. And it comes back and look at my prompt and wants to generate an image. It wrote a prompt for an image and gave it to me. You want to read through your prompt and see if it says what you really want to do. If you're happy with the prompt, you click on approve and you see it has generated a frame. From here, let's quickly just expand those, please. It has generated the image here. You can see it from this place. And if you like the image, you can continue for it to turn it into a video, which we'll just do here. It has placed this image as our start frame, and it also came back to tell us things it's going to be working with the start frame. From here, it selected sit downs 1.5 Pro as the model it will be working with. There are different models here, but I'm going to see what sit downs is going to create. And you see that my video is in 16:9. If you click on it, you have option to select the aspect ratio you want to work with. And my video is going to be 8 seconds. I will approve this. And my video generations begins here. Our video creation process is complete. And if we click on the video and click on play here, you can see our video playing beautifully. So from here, you can upscale your video and you can click on here to download your video. I'm going to click on download and my video downloads beautifully into my device.